The Ease Moose Leather Sectional Couch, Oversized Modular Sectional Sofas feels like furniture built for real life, not showroom life. Big life, messy life. The kind of life with dogs, kids, guests, naps, spills, and the occasional dramatic flop onto the couch at the end of a long day. This sectional announces itself with size first. Each seat is deep, wide, and tall in a way most sofas simply aren't. The extra depth invites lounging instead of polite sitting. The higher backrest supports the neck and shoulders better than the standard low-profile designs that look nice but punish posture. This is a couch made for staying a while, stretching out, and occupying space without apology. The faux leather material is one of its strongest arguments. It's waterproof, scratch-resistant, and surprisingly forgiving. Large dogs jumping, pacing, and landing with enthusiasm don't seem to faze it. Claws that would destroy softer fabrics leave little evidence behind. Even better, odors don't linger, which matters more than people admit. For homes with pets, this sofa isn't pretending to be pet-friendly. It actually is. Cleaning is refreshingly simple. Scribbles, dirt, and everyday accidents wipe away without drama. Removable seat cushions, back cushions, and arm pillows make maintenance less of a chore and more of a quick reset. The material feels smooth and pleasant to the touch, with a look that leans modern and calm rather than shiny or cheap. Comfort is where opinions start to get more nuanced. The seat cushions are firm, intentionally so. They hold shape, rebound well, and don't collapse after a week of use. For many, that firmness is a gift, especially for larger bodies or anyone tired of sinking too low and struggling to stand back up. The deep seats also make it easy to nap, sprawl, or host multiple people without anyone feeling cramped. The backrests, however, can feel thinner than expected. Some users notice the frame more than they'd like, especially before the cushions fully settle in. A creative fix has been adding thin foam inserts to fill out the back cushions, which noticeably improves support and appearance. It's not ideal, but for the price point, it's a compromise some are willing to make. The modular design is where the Ease Moose really earns its name. Each piece can be rearranged to fit the room, the mood, or the moment. U-shape for entertaining, L-shape for everyday living. Spread out when guests arrive. Pull it back together when space is needed. Assembly is tool-free and fast, even if the number of boxes makes delivery day feel like a cardboard parade. There are a few quirks. The brackets that hold the seats together can be slightly finicky, making perfect alignment a small challenge. The backs also attach in a way that feels unconventional at first. These aren't deal breakers, but they do remind you this is modular furniture designed for flexibility rather than absolute precision. Durability, though, inspires confidence. This sofa handles weight, movement, and daily abuse far better than many pricier alternatives. It doesn't feel delicate or precious. It feels like something meant to be used, climbed on, leaned against, and lived with. Customer service adds another layer of reassurance. Shipping damage happens, especially with large modular furniture, but responses are quick and replacement parts arrive without much friction. That matters when dealing with something this big. The Ease Moose Oversized Modular Sectional isn't chasing luxury perfection. It's chasing practicality, scale, and resilience. It's for households that need seating to work hard, look good enough, and survive real use. In that role, it doesn't just perform, it holds its ground.